Hello everyone. So you might wonder why I'm wearing a mask. It's because I'm gonna try a weird and stinky food. Very stinky. It's banned in public places.
And it's so expensive. Look, how much is this?
Expensive spiky food.
How would I know if this one is right?
You want to knock it using the knife.
No, there's a crack already.
Yeah, there's a crack. And then you want to press the spines. If they're soft, it's right. Stinky alert.
Oh, shucks, sayang. I cut that.
Yeah, the seeds are edible, but only if you roast them. Don't eat them raw. Kill the whole house. Oh, that stinks! Is that a stink bomb? Is that I'll just call that banana stink bomb fruit.
This one still have inside.
Still soft.
This is very sharp.
This is a small bite.
This is
a
the
small
durian.
piece. Let me just lick. If it tastes good.
You have to eat it. It's creamy, right? One more. Ay!
Not so bad. Ah!
Marcos, here's your cup. It's creamy. Tastes good.
Oh, I don't like it. I need to drink some ice.
I mean,